Hello, today I'm going to show you how to build a TNT cannon in Minecraft. Resources you will need: 9 dispensers, 17 cobblestone, 11 redstone dust, 1 lever, 4 redstone repeaters, a bucket of water, and of course, a bunch of TNT. Step 1. You're going to get your cobblestone out and do as shown in the video. Once you have created your basin shape, expand out an extra 2 on this end, placing a ladder here. Now that you have placed your frame, you're going to place 6 dispensers in the basin. All must look in the center. Do not place them up like I do there. Place them so they face into the center on top of the red sand block there. Now I'm going to place another dispenser on top of those 3 dispensers. We're going to go to the end of the cannon, creating an L shape of dispensers, placing them facing the center of the cannon. Step 4. Get your redstone dust and connect the dispensers together, leaving a gap in the back at the center for a lever to go onto the dispenser. 5. You're going to place a redstone dust next to a dispenser and then place 4 redstone repeaters after. Step 6. Place a bucket of water in the middle of the dispensers as shown. You will also want to fill up your dispensers, so now is the time to add TNT to them. Step 8. Adjust all of the redstone repeaters as shown here. So it should be 4 tick, 4 tick, 4 tick, 1 tick. And now we are ready to fire our TNT cannon by flicking the lever and firing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, it really helps. Can we hit 1,000 subscribers? That is my question. Click on the video on the left, which is a video YouTube recommends, and click on the video on the right, which is how to build a car in Minecraft. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.